platform. Public announcements to all of you out there. Timothy Best, do you know him? He's one of our favorite gospel music artists. He's about to release several videos of his tracks. I want you out there to support him. I want you guys to follow him on Facebook, follow him on Instagram, and don't ever forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see several other videos from us here at Elegant Empire. We love you all. Cheers.
Chimago Bimo, no one else like you. Kaibulia Fagelu.